Hello everyone, this is you're watching another Victorian Transport Vlogs video. Today I'm at Doncaster Shopping Centre, bus interchange. So we have a bus, departing in just another 1 minute. This is basically over here. I'm just filming my new camera as well. And we have an Optare Solo bus coming into here. Just hold. So it's running a route 282. Scania K230. With a nice driver just giving a little thumbs up there. Oh, you may have not seen it, of course. It's just non-service. So. I know, filming in the wet. It was worth it. I'm sorry for the shaking. So same bus over there. So zoom in. I think it's K280, I reckon. Or was it 30? Which is a nice touch. In the meantime, let's just press this button.
The next route, 902, service to Chelsea, is due in 9 minutes. The following route, 902, service to Chelsea, is due in 26 minutes. The next route, 903, service to Mentone, is scheduled in 49 minutes. The following route, 903, service to Mordialloc, is due in 10 minutes.
In the meantime, the Optare Solo departs. Go, small bus, go. Over there we have a gem laying body bus on the route 902 towards Airport West. If you can see it, I hope you can, because it's a little hard to see from this distance. You can see that black bit and orange bit, and it's a bit cold. And let's hope I don't catch COVID-19. And we also have a Volvo B7RLE on a route 903 towards Altona. And I'm also standing in shelter, and I'm still getting way too cold. I'm sorry for the shaking, because I'm pretty cold and freezing. Big Westfield sign. Ugh. Oh, guys, I wish I had an umbrella. Oh, here it is. It's coming. It's just turning in. Oh, we have another one over here on a Chelsea service. And here's the Airport West bus. And another route 903. And Chelsea. And just over there we have two design line buses. I don't know what the route they are, but this is pretty far, and my lens are wet, so I cannot see. I hope you can see it, because it's pretty long. Let's hope I get one photo at least. Well, one's not in service. I think one's on route 295. Yeah, here it is. One not in service, and the other one on route 295. Or 85. No, 95. Yes, 95. Okay, we have a Mordialic bus and a Scania bus with a custom coach CV60 Evo on route 281. K280 UB. Anyway guys, we're wrapping this vlog up now. Don't forget this video a thumbs up and subscribe because it's getting wet, and yeah, and I'll be seeing you on the next vlog.